Too many veterans think VA disability is the finish line. They fight for that rating, finally get it, and then stop there. But here's the truth. VA disability should never be the end. It should be the foundation. Because if all you do is collect that check, you're just surviving. But if you leverage your benefits the right way, you can turn them into credit, capital, and assets that pay you cash flow for the rest of your life along with your VA disability check. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates 5 to 10K additional per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never see because I've automated and delegated every part of that process, and each vehicle brings me an additional $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month. And you can do the exact same thing. All you have to do is take action. And today I'm going to be breaking down why VA disability is not the finish line, why it should be the launch pad, and how you can use your benefits to actually build wealth instead of just scraping by. I've been in your footsteps and I know what it's like to just be scraping by. And this video is about to give you all the game on how to fix it. Here's what most veterans believe. If I just get my VA disability rating, I'll finally be financially set. I'm telling you right now, that's the wrong belief and it's false. Because here's the reality. VA helps, but it doesn't cover everything. Bills still come around every 30 days. Inflation eats away at fixed income. And without assets, you're capped forever. Disability is security, not freedom. And if you stop there, you'll stay stuck. You need a mindset shift, and I'm about to give it to you right here, so you better be paying attention, right? VA disability isn't the end of the race. It's the beginning of a new one. It's not just money in the bank, it's leverage. Leverage to optimize your credit, leverage to unlock capital, leverage to invest in the assets that pay you cash flow. When you actually use it right, VA disability isn't just a monthly check. It's a launch pad to a system that pays you over and over and over again. Look, let me give you a tactical breakdown on how to turn benefits into freedom. You want to start by boosting your benefits. Make sure your rating reflects what you've earned, but don't stop there. After that, you want to optimize your credit. Your benefits create stability. Stability helps you fix and structure your credit. Soon as that's complete, you want to access capital. With strong credit, banks will give you 50 to 100K in funding. That's not debt, that's leverage. Stop being scared of it. Then you want to acquire some assets. Deploy that capital into assets. Vehicles on Turo, private rentals, rent to own, Airbnb, real estate, whatever it may be. Assets that produce cash flow every single month, which leads to building cash flow, right? Now you're not just relying on a VA check, you've got money coming in from multiple streams. And then you have to figure out a way how to automate everything. Once the assets are producing, you're systemized. Automations and delegations free your time so you own a business, not another job. That's the exact framework that we run inside of our benefits wealth boosting program. But here's where a lot of veterans mess this up, right? They stop once their rating increases. They rely on only disability, never optimizing credit or accessing capital. They spend money on liabilities instead of investing in assets. And then they wait for the system to take care of them instead of leveraging what they've already earned. And that's exactly why too many veterans still struggle even with their benefits. You have to understand that VA disability is not the goal, it's the tool. You fought for it, you earned it, but if you stop there, you're limiting yourself. Think about it like this. Really, sit and think about it. What's more powerful? One check that comes every month or multiple checks from assets that stack on top of it? You've already done the hard part. The system gave you benefits. Now it's time to use those benefits to create freedom. When I got out, I thought like most veterans. If I just get my rating, I'll be good. But that check wasn't enough. Bills still came and life still cost more due to inflation. What changed everything was when I realized disability wasn't the finish line. It was leverage. I optimized my credit, I stacked capital, and then I built assets like my Turo business, which led into private rental and rent to own where I get 100% of the profits. That's how I went from surviving off of benefits to owning over 40 vehicles I never touch with cash flow that builds freedom every single month. And that's exactly what we help other veterans do inside of our program. We want to provide you with the freedom that you actually deserve. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 and I will personally reach back to you and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. So let me ask you this. Are you treating your VA disability like it's the finish line? Are you relying on that check to carry you while inflation keeps rising and expenses keep stacking? Or are you ready to see it for what it really is? The foundation to build wealth, freedom, and control of your financial future. Because the truth is this, benefits alone will never set you free, but benefits that are leveraged will. If you already fought for your benefits, why not make them work harder for you? Wouldn't it make sense to use what you've earned to not only survive, but actually thrive by building assets that pay you every single month? If it does, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone, and we're gonna figure out together how to plug you into our benefits wealth boosting program, because at the end of the day, isn't it better to turn benefits into freedom instead of letting them just barely cover the bills? Look, I'm here to give you all the game, every step that I've ever done, every task that I've ever completed. So what I want you to do is hit that like button, drop me some comments below so I can answer any questions you may have, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, just hit me up. Peace.